Okay, so to summarize the previous example where we were estimating the mean weight of all female Komodo dragons, and we looked at this with a 95% confidence interval versus a 90% confidence interval. So more generally speaking, if I have a population here, which is normally distributed with mean and known variance, then we can construct a confidence interval by going a certain multiple of the standard error above and below our sample mean. And we talked about how we can find this value in the previous example, and that is, you can think about this as saying in the middle, we have our confidence level. So outside of that, this alpha is denoting the stuff that we're missing inside of there. And so half of that area is over here, and half of that area is over here. So that's where the alpha over 2 comes from. And then, for example, if we want to estimate the value of z alpha over 2, since we're working with the standard normal distribution, we use the Q-norm function for that. So you find out what the corresponding area is, and that should be related to the confidence level, and then we're using the standard normal distribution for that. So this is what you need to calculate depending on what the confidence level is. Okay, and so this distance that we're going above and below the mean, so this term over here is what we call the margin of error, okay, as opposed to the standard error. So that's how big of an error we're building above and below our initial estimate that came from the sample mean.